Hey everybody, my name is Tauman, and in this video I will show you what are the best weapons in Valorant that you can use. So let's start. The first thing is I'm in practice right now, so I'm going to show you step by step every single weapon and how it acts, like where are you shooting and what do I think. By that I was coming from Counter-Strike Global Offensive, so I have some experience and I'm like global elite in CSGO, so I will show you what you should do. So the first, let's go with the sidearms with the pistols. Shorty is really great if you're gonna be in a close combat. It's like simple thing. So you want to use it. The recoil is non-existent, so it's really easy to hit everyone. So if you're gonna rushing and you're gonna, like, let's say that you know that someone is coming from here, you can position yourself like this and just wait for him. Don't position yourself like this because he can just simply do this. You want to position always like this to hit them. Now, the second thing, you got a frenzy. Like, no one is actually using frenzy that much, but again, you can use it as a close combat. Another thing is, guys, that I recommend is go with the ghost. Goat is like top notch, is like USP in CSGO if you ever played CSGO. But most importantly, you don't have to like crouch. This is really important. In Valorant, it's pointless to crouch. You don't need to do this because you're gonna have the same aim while you're standing. And also, there is a problem when you're crouching and that people don't tell you is when you're gonna crouch, right? And you're gonna aim, it's even harder to hit someone because you always need to zoom top, like aim top, and it's not good. So you always want to, you see, so let's see, I'm aiming and then I just need to always move up. This is really important. So USP is a good weapon, the ghost. Then you get a sheriff. Sheriff is like Deagle in CSGO and it's pretty simple to use. So yeah, and then we have a bulldog. Bulldog is really good weapon if you don't have any money. It's like second or third round that you can like buy. Only because this, what I like about bulldog, and many people don't know it, is that with bulldog, you're gonna see this. Let me show you. You can go full out with it, but only if you zoom with the right click, you can only burst. So if I go with the practice start, it's good weapon, and if you compare even the damage, you can see it right here. Yes, Phantom is much better, but still, this is good weapon. So yeah, this is like Bulldog is good. Now Stinger and Spectre are really good close weapons that you can play with. But still these weapons are good on a close combat. In long combat, just choose pistol. So in a mid combat or short, like close combat, go with a Spectre. But other than that, I would go with a pistol on long combat. So yeah. Now, with shotguns, again, shotguns are really good. As I mentioned, what you can do also when you're playing shotgun is just when someone is running, do this. Or you can go with the judge. And you can like, when you're gonna press all in, you can just like all in like this. So you go like, and just hit always the body, don't aim for the head. Always for the body, so you maximize your damage. That's the most important thing, right? So when we go further, we already talk about Bulldog. Guardian, it's a single shot weapon. Imagine this is like the sniper, right? That you can play with. And this weapon is really good. And I personally like it, but again, in close combat it's bad. In long combat, it's good, but in short distance you're gonna get killed because you can't do much damage. If they're gonna use Spectre or Bulldog or Phantom or Vandal, you're dead. Now we're gonna see Phantom here. Phantom is top-notch gun and I like using it. That's like one of the top weapons. That's why also it costs so much. Now, I don't have too much to say about this weapon. It's really good in a close combat. It's really good in long. In long, it's worse than Vandal. But in a mid and short, this is the top weapon. And then we have the Vandal here. Vandal got a like worse fire rate comparing to Phantom, but what it has is really good damage, and also it's easy to hit a headshot. So if you're gonna hit like 1-2 hit, they're dead. But you need to like control the recoil a lot. See, you really need to play around with the recoil. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's pretty simple and pretty easy. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, yeah, also sniper rifle. So sniper rifle, you need to have like 2 hits with this weapon. 1 hit is not enough. So bot armor disabled. Let me show you. I will show you that when they have bot armor, you need to hit them twice with this weapon. So this is what you need to keep in mind, that when they have armor, you need to aim for the head. Operator against this is like the best sniper here. It's like AWP in CSGO, really good weapon. But I got no talk about this. Machine guns, I don't particularly use machine guns because I don't see no point in that. Again, Bulldog is much stronger to machine gun. But comparing to Spectre, I would get like RS, honestly. But still, like the body is much like it's increasing damage, by the way. And then we have like Odin here. That's like top. And I would like buy it if I would be bored. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much everybody for watching. And if you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.